one thing that will really shape the product that we're building, the features that we include, how we present it, how we launch it, is going to be the type of digital product that we're building. So depending on how you want to think about it, depending on your own research, there are all sorts of digital product types, and you can get as specific as honing in on a specific niche, such as photography, assets for digital photographs, or we can try to step back a little bit and say, okay, what are the general types of delivery for our digital products? Again, our SEO master kit, what are some different ways that we could package that up into a product? So for example, in this list, I have included 9 of the most common types of digital products. There may be more, there may be some that are more specific to your industry. So by all means, add that to the list, rank it accordingly. But again, with our SEO kind of instance, I could write an ebook about it. I could turn some existing content into an email course and stagger out the delivery of that course over 8 or so weeks. And that could just be a single time purchase, automated, and the email course goes out as the product. I might turn it into a kind of full-blooded online course, add it on Skillshare, upload it to YouTube, sell it as a cohort where people join a class. So there are some different types of products, and what we're really just trying to hone in on is same content idea, same product idea, the SEO master kit, in several different formats and types. So this space of the ideation section is really just to help you list what's possible for your particular product and then rank it. And so as you learn more about your competitors, as you learn more about which types of products might be better suited to your style and your approach, you can update this list, and hopefully that'll help you get some clarity on which product type you want to move ahead with. When you're ready, just select the type that suits your needs.